In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Google Ads support in a straightforward and efficient manner. Whether you're encountering issues with your ads, have questions about billing, or just need some advice on optimizing your campaigns, reaching out to Google Ads support can provide you with the answers and assistance you need. We'll go through the process step by step, ensuring you know exactly what to do from beginning to end. To begin, it's essential to start at the right place. You'll want to navigate to the Google Ads overview page. This is your dashboard where all your Google Ads activities come together. From campaign performance to alerts and recommendations, it's the hub of your advertising efforts. You can access this page by typing the URL ads.google.com into your browser's address bar and signing in with your Google account that's associated with your ads account. Once you've successfully landed on the overview page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here you'll find a small question mark icon, or sometimes the word help. This is your gateway to support and assistance from Google Ads. Go ahead and click on it. This action will bring up a menu with various options that are designed to help you find answers to common questions right away. It's a treasure trove of troubleshooting, advice, tutorials, and community forums. However, if your query requires a more personalized touch, the next step is crucial. Within this menu, look for an option that says Contact Us. This might require you to navigate through the menu items or scroll down a bit depending on the current layout of Google Ads Help section. Once you find it, click on it. This action signifies your need for direct support from the Google Ads team and takes you closer to getting the help you need. Clicking Contact Us will guide you to a page specifically designed for personalized support. Here, Google aims to understand exactly what you need help with. You might be prompted to describe your issue or select from common topics that match your query. It's important at this stage to be as specific as possible about the issues you're encountering. This ensures that Google directs your request to the right team and greatly improves the chances of your issue being resolved quickly and efficiently. After submitting your query, the wait begins. Depending on the complexity of your issue and the current volume of requests Google is handling, response times can vary. However, rest assured, Google Ads support is known for its thoroughness and diligence in assisting users. While you wait, it can be helpful to explore the Ads Help Center further, as there's a wealth of information that might address your problem or offer insight into maximizing your use of Google Ads. In closing, contacting Google Ads support doesn't have to be a daunting task. By starting on the overview page, clicking on the help icon at the top right, and then selecting Contact Us, you're well on your way to getting the support you need. Remember, being clear and specific about your issue will facilitate a quicker and more effective resolution. Google Ads is a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes, and having a clear path to support ensures you can navigate any bumps along the road to successful advertising. That's all for today's guide on how to contact Google Ads support. With these steps, you can confidently reach out for help whenever you need it, ensuring that your advertising campaigns continue to run smoothly and effectively. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to navigate the digital advertising landscape with ease.